And Tower, Delta 1464. We had a hydraulic issue on landing. Everything looks fine, but we're having a hard time taxiing. We lost one of our hydraulic systems, so I think we're probably going to need to have somebody come out and tow us.
Delta 1464, roger.
Is our tail clear of the runway here?
Delta 1464, affirmative. You're clear of the runway safe area now, thank you. 1464, we're making a call now to have somebody tow you up.
Roger, Delta 1464, thanks.